The cat teacher was busy solving problems, but the kitten couldn't fight off his sleepiness. Oh no! When school ended, everyone left, leaving the kitten snoozing in the empty classroom. Waking up alone, the kitten panicked and ran out, heart pounding. Oh no! The school is haunted! He ran home to his father, begging him to deal with the ghost that had scared him. The skinny cat feels sad because other cats mock his small body. He dreams of having a strong physique and starts training hard in the gym. Every day, he perseveres through all kinds of exercises without getting tired. Amazing! Wow! Finally, he becomes a muscular yellow cat that the others admire. He's even willing to help other skinny cats at the gym.
The police cat received a mission today to capture a vicious pack of hyenas terrorizing the city. Everyone is ready to fight. Wow, thanks to the bravery of the police cat, the leader of the hyena pack was captured. Oh my god, the leader of the hyenas blew up the police car and escaped from prison, leaving a challenge for the police cat.
Wow, look at that gorgeous girl cat. She's caught the attention of a sly black cat with bad intentions. Oh no, what could that sly black cat be planning for the innocent girl cat? Luckily, the brave police cat witnessed everything.
Hey, Black Cat, what are you up to? 'The girl cat was so thankful to the officer that she gave him her phone number with a smile.
I'll make you pay for this.
3 weeks later. Wow, what a joyful day! The police cat and the beautiful girl cat tied the knot. The black
cat has returned to seek revenge on the police officer. Years later. Help! Dad, save me! The villainous black cat was defeated, and the police cat saved his kitten in the